Hello students, welcome back. I am present again in front all of you with a new lesson as I promised. I am going to discuss today the most important basic topic of English grammar, that is adjective. The students give whole concentration and enjoy the class. Adjective. Definition. An adjective is a word that modifies noun or pronoun to make more specific. I repeat again. An adjective is a word that modifies noun or pronoun to make more specific. I give 5 examples. With the example, I give you a clear concept. Muhammad Tawhidul Islam. There are 4 word here, 4 noun here. Muhammad Tawhidul Islam Muntasir. There are more noun. Before I told you that when you find 2 noun, first word is used as adjective and next is noun. I also today I also tell you that when we find more word, more noun, all noun are used as adjective and last noun is used as noun. Dear student, I would like to explain Bangla now. অর্থাৎ আমরা যখন আমরা আগে বলেছিলাম যে যদি আমরা পাশাপাশি দুইটা নাউন পাই, প্রথম নাউনটাকে আমরা অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হিসেবে বিবেচনা করব এন্ড লাস্টটাকে আমরা কি করব, নাউন হিসেবে বিবেচনা করব। কিন্তু আমি আজকে তোমাদেরকে বলছি যে আমরা যখন অনেকগুলো নাউন একসাথে পাবো তখন যতগুলো নাউন লাস্ট নাউনটির আগে যতগুলো ওয়ার্ড থাকে, যতগুলো নাউন থাকে সবগুলো অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হিসেবে ইউজ করতে হবে, সবগুলো অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হিসেবে বিবেচনা করতে হবে এবং লাস্ট ওয়ার্ডটিকে নাউন হিসেবে বিবেচনা করতে হবে। তাহলে আমরা প্রথম মোহাম্মদ তাওহীদ ইসলাম, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ 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 অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, the last one is noun. Dear student, Shahriar same Shahriar Hussein. Shahriar adjective, Hussein noun. There are 2 noun. First noun is used as adjective and then noun. School boy. In the same way, school boy adjective and boy noun. University student. First word is adjective, used as adjective, and then last word is noun. Chattogram University campus. Chattogram University campus. We told you that when we find more word, more noun in the sentence, all noun is used as adjective and last one is used as noun. So Chattogram University, adjective, 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 noun. Dear student, by giving some example, I give you clear conception about the formation of adjective. First example is tradition dress, not tradition dress, traditional dress. Nation flag, not nation flag, national flag. Environment condition, environmental condition, not environment condition. Education system, educational system. Process adjective, processive adjective. Communicative device. In the previous classes, we told you that there are many types of adjective, but we did not tell you that about the such type of adjective here. When you find such type of sign at the end of the word, we will consider it as adjective. Dear student, I repeat you again. When we find such type of sign at the end of the word, it is considered as adjective. It is considered as adjective. The traditional AL, traditional. National, environmental, educational, possessive, IV, AL, communicative, IV. Dear student, for your better understanding, I give you more example. Various, OUS, various, able, comfortable, IV, exclusive, AR, regular, AL, normal, anti, important, anti, full, beautiful, developed, ED, developed. Dear student, when you find such type of sign at the end of the end of a word, it is considered as adjective. I think you can understand it. There are two uses of adjective. You know, one is attributive and another is predicative use. And dear student, remember that adjective modifies only noun or pronoun. When we use noun after adjective, it is considered as attributive use. I would like to explain in Bangla now. অর্থাৎ আমরা যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভের পরে যে নাউনটি আছে, নাউনটি যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভ কোয়ালিফাই করবে তখন সেটাকে অ্যাট্রিবিউটিভ ইউজ বলা হয়। আর যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি প্রোনাউনকে মডিফাই করবে, when adjective modifies pronoun, it is considered as predicative use. অর্থাৎ আমরা যখন এই যে অ্যাডজেক্টিভটা প্রোনাউনকে মডিফাই করবে তখন সেটা হচ্ছে predicative use. When we use adjective and the adjective modifies noun or pronoun, it is called predicative use of adjective. Therefore, I think you can understand it. Attributive use, যখন আমরা adjectiveর পরে noun পাবো, তখন সেটি হচ্ছে attributive use. অর্থাৎ নাউনটি যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি যখন নাউনটিকে কোয়ালিফাই করবে। বিউটিফুল গার্ল কাকে কোয়ালিফাই করছে? বিউটিফুল গার্ল অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি নাউনটিকে কোয়ালিফাই করছে, মডিফাই করছে, তাহলে সেটি হচ্ছে অ্যাট্রিবিউটিভ ইউজ। আর যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি প্রোনাউনকে অথবা নাউন অথবা প্রোনাউনকে পূর্বের অ্যাডজেক্টিভটির পূর্বের নাউন অথবা প্রোনাউনকে কি করবে? মডিফাই করবে, তখন সেটা হচ্ছে প্রেডিকেটিভ ইউজ। I repeat again, যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি তার পরের নাউনটিকে মডিফাই করবে সেটা হচ্ছে প্রেডিকেটিভ ইউজ অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। আর যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভটি পূর্বের নাউন অথবা প্রোনাউনকে মডিফাই করবে তখন সেটা হচ্ছে প্রেডিকেটিভ ইউজ অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। Dear student, I think you can understand it. Next sentence, attributive use. Rina is a clever girl. Clever modifies girl, so it is considered as attributive use of adjective. And clever modifies she. It is considered as predicative use. Dear student, I think you can understand it. Dear student, I will discuss about about classification of adjective now. There are four kinds of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, pronominal adjective. I repeat again: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, pronominal adjective. And other adjective, first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. It indicates nature of subject. We know that adjective qualifies noun or pronoun. Only parts of speech noun or pronoun. I would like to explain বাংলা নাউন অর্থাৎ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ নাউন এবং প্রোনাউনকে কোয়ালিফাই করে। তো এখানে আমরা যেমন কেমন অ্যাডজেক্টিভ অফ কোয়ালিটি হচ্ছে নাউন প্রোনাউনের প্রকৃতি, নেচার অফ সাবজেক্ট। নাউন প্রোনাউনের প্রকৃতি সেটা কেমন, যেমন ব্রিলিয়ান্ট, পুয়ার, ডিসঅনেস্ট, রেড, ব্ল্যাক, etc. Dear student, I give two example. Shojib is a brilliant student. When we find two words besides one another, first one is adjective and next is noun. We discussed about in detail before in our previous class. The girl is beautiful. When we find linking word, after linking word, when we find single word, it is used as adjective. So beautiful is adjective here, adjective of quality here. Brilliant, beautiful, the two words are adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Next one is adjective of quantity. Dear student, it indicates the amount of noun or pronoun. Amount of noun or pronoun. Some, enough, few, little, more. Some, enough, few, little, much. They are adjective of quality. I have enough money. Enough money. Enough here is adjective of quantity. I would like to explain বাংলা নাম অর্থাৎ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ কোয়ান্টিটি আমরা কতটুকু বুঝি। নাউন প্রোনাউন এখানে কতটুকু সংখ্যা যেটা থাকে, যেমন মানি কতটুকু মানে এনাফ মানি। ফিউ স্টুডেন্টস কিছু সামান্যতম বা ফিউ দিয়ে একবারে অল্প পরিমাণে স্টুডেন্ট বোঝায় আর কি, নাই মতোই একদম অল্পই স্টুডেন্ট বোঝায়। আর এখানে যথেষ্ট টাকা, এই যে এখানে পরিমাণটা নির্দেশ করছি, এটা হচ্ছে adjective of quantity. Next one is numeral adjective. Exact number of noun or pronoun. It indicates exact number of noun or pronoun. There are four kinds of numeral adjective: cardinal, ordinal, multiplicative, indefinite. Cardinal, ordinal, multiplicative, indefinite. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 80, 20. There are cardinal adjective. Ordinal adjective, first, second, third. They are ordinal adjective. Multiplicative, double, single, threefold, fourfold. They are multiplicative adjective. Indefinite, all, some, many, more, few. They are indefinite adjective. All students. There are 80 students in the class. He got first position in the class. The cost has become double. Multiplicative. Indefinite. All students were present. All students. Next one is pronominal adjective. It indicates relation with one another. Interrogative, demonstrative, possessive, distributive, relative. Which book did you like most? If we tell that which did you like most? Which did you like most? It is only pronoun. But which book did you like most? It is interrogative adjective. Demonstrative. This book. This is a very famous book. It is in demonstrative pronoun. But this book, when we attached after these, those, these, and then we use noun, it is demonstrative pronoun. This book. With this book, demonstrative adjective. These, those, separately the demonstrative pronoun. This book, this pencil, these papers, these are demonstrative adjective. Possessive. Possessive adjective. Our school is very famous. My book is very excellent. My book is very excellent. Is very excellent. Excellent. These are the possessive adjective. When we ours is very famous college. Ours is very famous college. It is demonstrative pronoun. But our college, my book, my pencil, and his book, his pencil, they are possessive adjective. Next one is distributive. Distributive indicates distribute two or more person or thing. Every or each student has done very well in the examination. Every or each student has done very well in the examination. It is distributive adjective. Each, every, either, neither, they are distributive pronoun. And each of them has come to school. Each of them has come to school. But each student, each girls, each book, they are distributive adjective. When we use any noun, each, every, neither, either, they are distributive adjective. When we use each, every, neither separately, they are distributive pronoun. Dear student, I think you can understand it. When every of them, each of them, neither of them, either of you, they are distributive pronoun. But either every student, each girls, each boys, they are distributive adjective. After every, each, either, neither, we find any noun. Each, every, then every, each, every, either, neither is adjective here. Dear student, I think you can understand it. Relative adjective. It is that pencil which you gave me yesterday. That pencil. It is that pencil which you gave me yesterday. When we find after relative, when we find any relative word, that, which, what, who, where, and then any noun, it is relative adjective. Any noun or pronoun, any relative word modifies any noun or pronoun. That pencil, that book, which book, which pencil, they are relative what? Relative adjective. It is that pencil which you gave me yesterday. But we tell that. But if we tell that, I know where he lives. Where. After where, we do not find any noun or noun. When we find that relative pronoun separately, it is relative pronoun. When we find relative word, relative word that which word after before noun, it is relative adjective. Dear student, I think you can understand it. Other pronoun. Next one, other pronoun. Noun adjective, emphatic adjective, compound adjective, exclamatory adjective. Noun adjective. The poem was published in the college magazine. College magazine, Dhaka University, Sitama University, and they are noun adjective. After now it is used after first one is first word is noun and then noun. If we find that kind of noun phrase, it is used as noun adjective. First one is adjective and then noun. It is used as a noun adjective. Emphatic adjective. This very fan is mine. This is my own fancy. This very fan is mine. Very fan. And very fan is mine. I would like to explain in Bangla now. এটি আমার সেই কলম যেটি আমার নিজের, এটি সেই কলম যেটি আমার নিজের। এই যে জোর দেওয়া হয়েছে, এমপ্যাথিক মানে জোর দেওয়া, এমফাসাইজ করে, এমফাসাইজ, এটা এমফাসাইজ with very own. So it emphasize very own into noun. Then it is used as adjective. So very own is used as adjective here, emphatic adjective here. Compound adjective. He participated in a 2-month long training. 2-month long training. It is a noun phrase. Three word is used here with hyphen. He is participating in a 2-month long training. Dear student, here compound word. Here is used as compound word, 3 compound word with hyphen. So this kind of word or this kinds of noun phrase is used as compound adjective. He participated in a 2-month long training. Exclamatory adjective. What an idea! What the picture! What an idea! They are exclamatory adjective. I would like to explain Bangla now. আমরা যখন এই ধরনের পাবো, এই যে এন দিতে আমরা জানি পূর্বের ক্লাসগুলোতে, previous class we discussed about the determiner a and the, some, many. They are used as adjective. So when you find any adjective after before noun and with the word how, it is used as exclamatory adjective. What an idea, it is used as exclamatory adjective. I will discuss about the use of enough. Use of enough. Enough plus noun. I have enough money. He has enough food. Now I would like to explain in Bangla now. যখন আমরা নাউনের পূর্বে যথেষ্ট পরিমাণ হিসেবে ব্যবহার করতে চাই, আমরা যখন চাই যে আমরা ব্যবহার করব, তখন আমরা নাউনের পূর্বে এনাফটা ব্যবহার করব। কিন্তু যখন আমরা অ্যাডজেক্টিভের যথেষ্ট পরিমাণ হিসেবে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ যথেষ্ট পরিমাণ চালাক, সে যথেষ্ট চালাক বা সেটা যথেষ্ট ঠান্ডা, এই ধরনের যথেষ্ট দ্রুত, এই ধরনের যখন আমরা অ্যাডজেক্টিভের পরে আমরা এনাফ ব্যবহার করবো, এবং আমাদের সবসময় দেখতে হবে নাউনের পূর্বে এনাফ ব্যবহার করতে হবে, অ্যাডজেক্টিভের পরে এনাফ ব্যবহার করতে হবে। You have to use enough after before noun and after adjective and adverb. Dear student, I think you can understand it. I will be back soon with a new lesson. Till then, take care and stay safe. Always remember that practice makes a man perfect. So practice English more and more. Keep learning always. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching my video class.